always a good day when UPS arrives. So let's take a look. Ooh, big box, nice. Let's see what it is. Let's open up the box and see what came in. Nice. Here you have it. BMR Strut Tower Brace. It's gonna give the ride a little bit better handling as we're taking the curves. It's a heavy vehicle, it's a big boat, so this should help. It's pretty solid. Nice. Is it just dirty? Thank God. Everything looks good and it's heavy. So let's get it installed. The strutter bar will connect from this side all the way to this side, and that will give you a better handling while you're driving. Use some kind of a plastic to not scratch the paint on in your engine bay. It goes off fairly quick, so let's do the other side. Perfect. I have just checked, you need to use a socket size number 13. I'll remove the other side off camera and then we'll be back to get everything situated. Now that both sides are clean, let's position the strutter bar into the correct position. It lined up already on the other side. Let's see what's going on over here. It doesn't fall in smooth. These two are in, this one isn't completely, and on the other side a little bit less. So I'm gonna grab a rubber hammer. I'm gonna knock it into the position. There you go. I was looking online to see how many torque I need to put on these nuts. Yeah, that was funny. But it says around 40 to 60, so I'll put them onto 50. I'm gonna set it up at 50 now. There we go. Look how nice this strutter bar fits on the engine bay. Beautiful. BMR, that's where I got it from. Nice. Can't wait to test it on the road. So let's see when I have a chance, probably tomorrow. So okay, I'm heading out right now. I'm gonna meet a few buddies. They're actually gonna be racing and they invited me to go along with them. They're all 4-cylinders. I don't discriminate any race because they have their cars boosted and tuned and intercooler and straight pipes, and their cars are much lighter than mine, so should be interesting. There's at least 2 or 3 cars, so let's find out what this 392 stock engine is all about. I've only done a mid muffler delete. I'll put a short clip what the mid muffler delete is if you don't know what it means. By the time I get to Mexico, it's gonna be pretty dark already, so it's a long drive, but we'll get there and try to capture some footage for you guys. See you in a bit. Okay guys, we're gonna do a 50 pull. What do you want to do? 50. 50. Actually the next day. Got home too late last night to make an outro. I was just tired. I just had to sleep. I had to work this morning. So if you like these kind of videos, please subscribe to the channel, drop a like button and comment. See which car you think might be next for me. Is there anything specific you want me to race with so I can see who I can find? Or if you're watching this video and you live in the DFW area and you want to head out to Mexico, just hit me up and then we'll see what happens. Until the next time, peace.